Hello guys, welcome to my channel Ashley. Today we are making mango kheer. Hello guys, welcome to my channel Ashley. Today we are making mango kheer. To make the kheer we need 1 liter of milk, 4 tablespoons of white rice. So I soaked them in water for half an hour and coarsely chopped them. 1 cup of white sugar and 4 ripe mangoes. Okay, so we'll boil the milk for 15 minutes and then we'll add our soaked rice and sugar. Alright, the milk has been boiling for 15 minutes. Now I'm going to add the soaked rice. And the sugar. And we are going to cook it for another 15 minutes on a low medium flame for another 15 minutes. Alright guys, so the kheer has been cooking for 20 minutes and it's ready now. The rice are fully cooked and as you can see the milk quantity is reduced to half. So now it's ready. We're going to let it cool and then we'll add our mango puree. Alright guys, so now we are going to mix our mango puree. These were the fresh mangoes. Okay guys, our mango kheer is ready. Now we are going to plate it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye.